ओम येनात्मना विलीयन्ते उद्भवन्ति च वृत्तयः नित्यावगतये तस्मै नमोऽधीः प्रत्ययात्मने प्रमथ्यवज्रोपमयुक्तिसंहृतैः श्रुतेररातीन् शतशो वचोऽसिभिः ररक्षवेदार्थनिधिं विशालधीर् नमो यतीन्द्राय गुरोर्गरीयसे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। उपदेश साहस्री तत्वमसि प्रकरणम आत्म अनात्म विवेक we are seeing with the help of विशेषण विशेष्य भाव। आत्मा is अस्मत् प्रत्यय गोचर, अस्मत् प्रत्यय विषय। अनात्मा is युष्मत् प्रत्यय गोचर। But Acharya has classified asmat into two: Vyavaharik asmat and Paramarthik asmat. So now you have Atma, Aham, and Idam or Mama. You remember this? We discussed this. Atma,
Yes, ma'am.
Ahankara, and Idam Mama. Idam Mama means Bahir Vishaya. Now, page number 278. Introduction to 94th shloka. एतत् सर्वं यदधीन सत्ता प्रकाशकं तत्र आरोपितं सत् तस्य सदा विशेषणं भवेदपि तेन साक्षिणा न संस्पृशत। एतत् सर्वं एंटायर ब्रह्मांड यद अधीन सत्ता प्रकाशकम, यद अधीन सत्ताकम, यद अधीन प्रकाशकम. In this way you should understand. Everything is under whose satta, means because of whose satta everything has satta. Because of whose prakasha everything has prakasha, everything becomes known. Yadadhina satta prakashakam. This is called satta and spuranam. Tatra aropitam. Tatra tasmin brahmani aropitam. Sat. Aropitam sat. Tasya sada visheshanam bhavet api. It is always the visheshanam. What will be the visheshana and what will be the visheshya?
Everything that is aropitam, that is visheshana, called guna.
Correct.
And adhisthana is visheshya, pradhana.
Atma is visheshya. Everything else will be visheshanam. Sarvam sada visheshanam. In this way you can put the vakya. Sarvam aropitam sada visheshanam bhavet. But bhavedapi tena sakshina na samsprushate. But it does not touch the sakshi. Ityadishu yo nirapeksha siddhaha. So Atma is nirapeksha siddhaha. Everything else is sapeksha siddhaha. Yo nirapeksha siddhaha saha shuddha atma iti युष्मत् अस्मत् विभागज्ञस्य भवेदेव वाक्याद् वाक्यार्थ ज्ञानम् इति प्रमाणम् एव वेदांत वाक्यम् इति अभिप्रेत्य उपसंहरति. Atma is Nirapeksha Siddha, means Swayam Siddha. Atma has its own Prakasha. So Atma is Swayam Prakasha, because everything else is Yadadhina Prakashakam. Everything else is Yadadhina Sattakam. So Atma has Swayam Satta. So Atma, already two features are mentioned of Atma. Swayam Siddha, Swayam Prakasha. What is the third feature? Tena Sakshina na samsprushate. So Atma is Asanga also. Sakshi does not have sparsha of what is Aropita. So three things are already mentioned. And that Atma is Shuddha, Saha Shuddha. Asanga will always be Shuddha. Atma iti, this is the Yushmad Asmad Vibhaga. The Atma Anatma Viveka is this. So when I understand myself as Swayam Siddha, Swayam Prakasha, Asanga, Nitya Shuddha, and everything else is Aropita in me. This is Atma Anatma Viveka. Yushmad Asmad Vibhagagnyasya Vibhagagnya Vibhagam Yushmad Asmad Vibhagam Janati iti Yushmad Asmad Vibhagagnya. Bhavet eva jnana. He will get jnana. The one who has this Yushmad Asmad Vibhaga means after Atma Anatma Viveka only I will have Vakyartha Jnana to Mahavakya. If I have not done Atma Anatma Viveka, Mahavakya will not produce Jnana. That is what this line is. So first I have to separate myself from Anatma. Then Mahavakya says this separated Atma is Brahma. So Vakyartha Jnanam Bhavedeva iti. Vedanta Vakyam Pramanam eva. Therefore, Vedanta Vakya is Pramanam. Pramanam eva Vedanta Vakya. Iti aviprete upasamharati. So with this idea now, upasamhara is being done. Upasamhara only of this Atma Anatma Viveka, which is done here as Visheshana Vishesha. Buddhyarudham sada sarvam Saham kartra cha sakshinaha Tasmat sarvava bhasogyaha Kinchidapyasprishan sada. In the first line, Saham kartra, it should be Tritiya Vibhakti, not Saham karta. Saham kartra. In Tika it is given kartra. Buddhyarudham sada sarvam Saham kartra cha sakshinaha Tasmat sarvava bhasogyaha Kinchidapyasprishan sada. Buddhyarudham sada sarvam Saham kartra cha sakshinaha Visheshanam. You have to add that word, Visheshanam, because Visheshana Visheshya Viveka is going on. Tasmat Sarvava Bhasaha Jnaha. Jnaha means Atma. Sarvava Bhaso Jnaha Sada Kinchidapi Asprishan Tishtati. Chapter 7th chapter called Buddhyarudha Prakaranam. Buddhyaruda Prakaranam. And the first shloka of Buddhyaruda Prakaranam was Buddhyarudham Sada Sarvam. That same idea is given now. Buddhyarudham Sada Sarvam. Do you remember? There was a Prakarana called Buddhyaruda Prakarana. Page number 106.
Yes, sir.
106. So now he says two things in the Purvardha of the shloka. Sarvam Buddhyarudham. Anything that becomes known in this world has to become associated with buddhi, has to become Vishaya of buddhi. It's a Vyavaharik Prapancha, not Pratibhasik. In Pratibhasika also, for Adhisthana Jnana, buddhi sambandha is needed. That is what is called Buddhyarudham. Buddhi Arudham. It has to ride on intellect. That Vishaya. Sarvam. One. So in this, what is included is all the Vishayas. Sthula Vishayas. Khata, Pata, Ityadi. But Antakarana Vrittis are not included because they are not Buddhyarudha. So Sukshma Sharira, Antakarana Vrittis, they are indicated by Sahankartracha. Ahankarta Tritiya. Dikasa Ahankartra Saha Sahankarta. What is the sutra?
Tena saha tulya yogi.
Tena Saha Tulya Yogi. Sahankartra. So that is all Buddhi Vrittis. Along with the Ahankara and whatever Kama, Sankalpa, Vichikitsa, Shraddha, whatever is called Manaha, they all will become Visheshana for Sakshi. Sakshinaha Visheshanam Bhavati. And therefore, Sakshi, which is Sarva Avabhasaha, illuminator of all, Jnana Swarupa. Jnaha means Jnapti Swarupa. Kinchidapi Sada Asprishan. It doesn't touch anything, doesn't get affected by anything. This is my Swarupa. If I can abide in this, and how quickly, even if I, let's say, forget this, how quickly I come back to this jnana. That is important. Sitika. Buddhyarudham. Buddhi vritti krodi kritam. Sarvam. Deha tat sambandhi vishaya jatam. Sakshino visheshanam gunabhutam. Iti yojana. Buddhyarudham means buddhi vritti krodi kritam. Krodi kritam means where there is sambandha with buddhi vritti. Sarvam. Deha tat sambandhi vishaya jatam. Sthula Sharira and all the Vishayas associated with Sthula Sharira. Everything is covered. All of that, Sakshino Visheshanam Gunabhutam Bhavati. Iti Yojana. They all will become Visheshana for Sakshi. Na Kevalam Etavat. Kincha Sahankartra Ahankartra Sabhas Manasa Sahitaha. Sukshmopi Sanghataha Sakshino Visheshanam. Not only them, na kevalam etavat. Kincha Sahankartra. Along with the Ahankarta, Ahankartra Sabhasa Manasa Sahita. So, Ahankartra means mind along with Chidabhasa. Sabhasa, because Chidabhasa has been the main discussion in last 60 plus shlokas. Chidabhasa is there because of Chidabhasa in Antakarana, it gets the Sanya Ahankara. And then all other vrittis also. Sabhasa manasa sahitaha sukshmopi sanghataha sakshino visheshanam. And sukshma sanghata, all these sukshma sharira, all of them are also visheshana for sakshi. Tasmin adhyastataya tad avabhasyatvad ityarthaha. Tasmin adhyasta, there it is adhyastataya tad avabhasyatvad. It illumines all of them. Ityartha. Yasmadevam paramarthatah kinchidapi asprishan sada sarvam sabhasadvara avabhasayati iti. Since this is how it is, yasmadevam paramarthatah kinchidapi asprishan. Paramarthatah, not getting touched by anything or not touching anything. Kinchidapi asprishan. Sada sarvam sabhasadvara avabhasayati. Along with the Chidabhasa or through Chidabhasa, it illumines everything. Sarvavabhasaha. So, the Bahya Jagat is illumined through Chidabhasa. Antar Jagat, inner thoughts, etc., they are directly Sakshi Bhasya. Sakshi illumines them directly. So therefore, sarvabhasa tasma eva sadatma iti viveko yuktaha ityartha. Therefore, atma is sarvada jnana swarupaha and sadrupa, sad atma. So sad chit swarupa, this is the viveka. So earlier also I have emphasized, Acharya also has said, one should do this viveka repeatedly. I am Sat Swarupa, Chit Swarupa, Sat Swarupa, Chit Swarupa. Panchakosha Vilakshana. Panchakoshas are not me. And therefore their dharmas should not affect me. Even if there is seeming effect, it is to Ahankar, not to Atma. Atma is untouched by this. This is how Vivekis think. Eshaha vivekinam margo. Viparitam tu avivekinam. Kshetradavapi atmano visheshanatva pratitehe. So, this is how Vivekis think about their Swarupa. But Avivekinam tu Viparitam, they think otherwise. Kshetradav atmano visheshanatva pratitehe. So for them, in Kshetradi means Kshetra means idam shariram and outside everything. What all things are included in Kshetra?
महाभूतान्यहङ्कारो बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च इन्द्रियाणि दशैकं च पञ्चचेन्द्रियगोचराः.
And one more line.
इच्छा द्वेष सुखं दुःखं संगातश्चेतना धृतिः.
Up to that. This is all Kshetra. So everything starting from Avyakta all the way up to Chidabhasa. Chetana means Chidabhasa. Mahabhutani, Ahankara, Buddhi, Avyakta. So starting from Avyakta, All of them are in between others, and then all the way up to Chidabhasa. Everything is Kshetra. Now you see what is said here. Avivekinam Kshetradavapi Atmano Visheshanatva Pratitehe. They think, aviveki people, that Kshetradi are Visheshana for Atma. You see, that is what you were saying. Kshetradi should be Visheshana and Atma is Visheshya. Visheshana, Visheshya means that which is independently existing. That is called Visheshya. So you see, that is what you are saying. This should be the thinking of Viveki. He said, no. Viveki people not only do Viveka between Atma and Anatma, thereafter they also understand Visheshana is Mithya. Aviveki people, they give reality to Kshetra as much as Kshetrajna. This is one way of looking at this shloka. Or another way of looking at this shloka is that Kshetra Adav, you have to understand, Kshetra Adi means the land, the wealth, the children, Putra, Mitra, Kalatra, Ityadi. All of them is Visheshana for them. Visheshana for what? Visheshana for Vyavaharik Atma. This is the other way of looking at it. So, one way of looking at it is that Aviveki is, even though they distinguish, but they don't see the Anatma as Mithya. Like Sankhya Darshan, Yoga Darshan, Nyaya Darshan, they all separate Atma from Anatma. They have their own idea of Atma. But none of them, they say Atma is Adhishthanam, Anatma is Mithya. So they are also Aviveki. As far as Advaiti is concerned, they are Aviveki all. Or if you want to come down to a lower level, then Kshetradav means Kshetra, land, Putra, Kalatra, Mitra, Ityadi, Dhana, Sampatti. In all of them, they say this is Visheshana. But what is their Atma Visheshya? Vyavaharik Atma. So they are also Aviveki, lower degree of Aviveka, the higher degree of Aviveka. Ityaha. Pratilomamidam sarvam yathoktam lokabuddhitaha aviveka dhyamasti nasti sarvam vivekinam. Pratilomamidam sarvam yathoktam lokabuddhitaha aviveka dhyamasti nasti sarvam vivekinam. Idam sarvam yathoktam lokabuddhitaha pratilomam aviveka dhyam asti vivekinam sarvam nasti. This is the main, I told you, the first category where for viveki idam sarvam nasti. Aviveki dhyam asti. Avivekis think all of this is there. Satya. Vivekis say what is, there is no Anatma. So you should not lose focus of the main teaching. Ajatavada. Viveka and all is only a stepping stone. That is not the final teaching. So therefore, Viveki or those who are Brahmagyani, final knowledge, those who have, from their standpoint, everything else is illusion. Illusion means nasti. Here Shloka clearly says nasti is. Vivekinam sarvam nasti. Pratiloma. Pratiloma means opposite of what is correct is called pratiloma. Virodhi, viparita. And they always will think otherwise. They are called, there are people, they are like this. Loka buddhi, the very laukika buddhi they have. Yathoktam sarvam loka buddhita. Yathoktam means what was said earlier as honey, goman, etc. Mama idam, all the visheshanas which were given. This is laukika buddhi. Tika. बाह्यार्थ उपहित चेता लोक तस्य बुद्धिर लोक बुद्धि. What is loka buddhi? Loka means bahyartha. Upahata cheta is actually bahurihi samas. Bahyarthena upahita cheto यस्य सह बाह्यार्थ उपहित चेताः. चेतस is the शब्द. तस्य बुद्धिः लोक बुद्धिस्. तस्या इति बाह्यार्थ सत्व प्रधानम लोक बुद्धिम अपेक्ष्य इति यावत्. तस्याः बुद्धि is बाह्यार्थ सत्व प्रधानम. बाह्यार्थ jagat is sattva and it is pradhanam, means it is also, it is not gauna, it is mukhya only. All Dvaita Matam, even they say, Dvaita Vedanta and Vishishta Dvaita, they all are these ones. तथा च बाह्यार्थम प्रधानीकृत्य यदिदं यथोक्त विशेषण विशेष्यादि सर्वं प्रतिलोमम अनात्मभूतम तद अविवेक धियां विवेक ज्ञान शून्यानां दृष्ट्या अस्ति वर्तते. बाह्यार्थम प्रधानीकृत्य. प्रधानीकृत्य, व्हाट इज द सूत्र? इकार दीर्घ
Shvaucha.
Shvaucha. And Shvi Pratyaya, how does it come?
I don't remember the complete sutra, Swami. Krubhasti yoga sampadya kartari. Starting.
अभूत तद्भावे कृभ्वस्ति योगे संपद्य कर्तरि.
अभूत तद्भावे त्रिभुवस्ति योगे संपद्य कर्तरि च्वी. सो प्रधानीकृत्य यदिदं यथोक्त विशेषण विशेष्यादि सर्वं, whatever that was said earlier as visheshana visheshya, the separation or distinction between the two, visheshana visheshyadi sarvam, pratilomam anatma bhutam. Pratilomam, everything which is anatma bhutam. तद अविवेक धियाम विवेक ज्ञान शून्यानाम दृष्टिया अस्ति वर्तते. They say all anatma bhutam is existing, is real. Means it doesn't even cross their mind that whether these all objects with which I am transacting, are they absolute reality or they are only another degree of reality for transaction, which keeps changing. Priorities keep changing, people keep changing, desha kala, everything changes, and nothing is constant, nitya, or there is no one pivot or pivot based on which everything else is moving. That one thing is Brahma, which they don't know. विवेकिनां तु दृष्ट्या सर्वम एतद विशेषणादिकं दृश्य रूपम नास्ति न वर्तते. According to Viveki's दृष्टि, all this विशेषणादिकं न अस्ति, दृश्यम नास्ति. But remember, to say the nasti is easy, drishyam nasti. But to constantly have this understanding, and when the test comes, when the crisis comes, and I am able to stay in this, how much importance I want to give to drishyam? How much important means not? What is not important for me is, this drishya is nasti. No, starting from my body, my ahankara, this is where we have to work on. अतो विवेकिनां बुद्धिम आत्मनि अवतारयितुम विशेषण विशेष्यादि प्रबंध कल्पना यथा प्रतीति सत्तामादाय क्रियते अध्यारोपापवाद न्यायेन इति भावः. अतो therefore विवेकिनां बुद्धिम आत्मनि अवतारयितुम. So विवेकिनां बुद्धिम in आत्मा आत्मनि अवतारयितुम विशेषण विशेष्यादि प्रबंध कल्पना. So what is the understanding of Viveki that should become understanding of me? Atmani means Swatmani, in one's own self. Vivekinam buddhim Atmani avatarayitum Visheshana Visheshyadi Prabandha Kalpana. This entire Kalpana of Visheshana Visheshya etc. is done so that whatever Jnanis have understood, I understand. यथा प्रतीति सत्ताम आदाय क्रियते. As is their understanding and cognition, what they have understood as reality, sattam, pratiti cha satta cha, or this is the only way I think we'll have to do samasa. Pratiti cha satta cha iti pratiti satta tam adaya. Dvandva kriyate prabandha kalpana. Visheshan will have pratiti. Vishesha will have satta. Adhyaropavada nyayena iti bhava. How the using adhyaropa apavada nyaya. So there is something which is superimposed and there is something which has apavada. So all this visheshana vishesha kalpana is done as adhyaropa. And then what is the apavada? That there is no drishyam, no visheshana. Only vishesha is there. So adhyaropa apavada nyaya is for revealing that which is nishprapancham. Like in Upanishad, for example, Prashna Upanishad, they say Atma is Shodasha Kala Purusha. So the 16 kalas are adhyaropa. And then you do nisheda, nishkala, Purusha, Atma. This is the result of Apavada. ननु अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम एव सर्व संसार विनिर्मुक्त आत्मावगमात् किम वाक्येन इति आशंका. अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम एव, थ्रू अन्वय व्यतिरेक alone, सर्व संसार विनिर्मुक्त आत्मा ज्ञान can take place. Why I have to do this Mahavakya Shravana? This is Sankhya, Yoga. Yoga Darshana, they don't want Mahavakya. This yogis, yogi means those who follow Yoga Darshan. There is no Mahavakya Vichara. There is no Tvam Pada, Tat Pada, etc. They will just do Ashtanga Yoga, Shamadama, etc. Some sutras they may hear, but Pradhana Sadhana is they will sit down and they will do this kind of dwelling. I am Drashta, all of this is Drishya. That's all. So they are happy with Drashta Drishya Vibhaga. Drishya Mithyatva is not there in their Grantha. So he says, Sarva Samsara Vinirmukta Atma Jnanam. Avagama means Jnanam. Through Anvaya Vyatireka only I will know. Why Kim Vakyena? Why do I want to listen to Shastra? I will do my sadhana on my own. This is what he says. Anvaya Vyatireka hi Padarthasya Padasya cha Syade Taddaham इत्यत्र युक्तिरेवावधारणे अन्वय व्यतिरेकौ हि पदार्थस्य पदस्य च स्यादेतदहम इत्यत्र युक्तिरेवावधारणे. पदार्थस्य पदस्य च अन्वय व्यतिरेकौ. If you remember, second chapter of Naishkarmya Siddhi, same line is there, which we have already seen. Pada, Padartha, their Anvaya Vyatireka is to be done. After going to Guru, what will I do? Pada, Padartha, Anvaya Vyatireka. So that is what is given here. Padasya, Padarthasya cha, Anvaya Vyatireka. He is Syat. Etat yuktihi eva aham iti atra avadharane syat. This yukti alone will be there in the aham avadharana. Avadharana means nishchaya about what is aham. This yukti through Anvaya Vyatireka I will have. But you will not know what is that Jagat is mithya, that Drishya is mithya or nasti, that you will not. Aham avadharanam you will do through yukti, it will be only to limited extent. See the tika. Padarthasya anvaya vyatirekau nama atma padartho drashta sakshi na kadapi drishyaha sakshyo va bhavati. What is padarthasya anvaya vyatireka? Atma padartha is drashta, sakshi. Anatma padartha is drishya, sakshya. Atma is never sakshi, sakshya. Atma doesn't become drishya. Sakshyo va bhavati. Tasya alupta prakasha sanmatrataya swata siddhatvat. Atma is alupta prakasha. Atma's prakasha is never eliminated. It is always there, even in Sushupti. Nahi drashtur drashter viparilopo vidyate avinashitvat. Drashta's drashti's viparilopa is never there. So that's why alupta prakasha sanmartataya swatasiddhatvat is swatasiddha. Ato ananya ashrayatvat. It has ananya ashraya. Na kadapi. Ananya ashraya means it does not have in. Anya ashraya means something else has the ashraya. Na anya ashraya iti ananya ashraya. Anya ashrayo na vidyate yasya saha atma ananyashrayah. Na kadapi kasyapi visheshanam. Atma never becomes visheshana for anything at any time. Atma is always visheshya. Tatha yad drishyam sakshyam cha ahankaradi vishayantam tad anyadhina prakasha sattakataya anyashrayam sat sada visheshana bhavam na vyabicharati. And ahankaradi, what is drishya, sakshya, all the way up to vishayantam. Ahankaradi vishayantam. All of that is what? Anyadhina prakasha sattaka. Anyadhina prakashakam, anyadhina sattakam. Sattakataya. Anyashrayam sat. Always dependent. Anya ashrayo yesham. Te sarve anyashrayaha. All of those vishayas. Sada visheshana bhavam na vyabicharati. Never it leaves visheshana bhava. It is always visheshana only. It never becomes visheshya. Tasmat anagamapayi rigatma rupam satyam shuktyadivat tad viparitam asatyam rajatadivat iti anrita jada parichinna paradhina paragartha vyavrittah satya jnanananta pratyagananda rupa atma iti vivechanam. Therefore, Atma is Anagamapayi, the one which doesn't have Agama and Apaya, arrival and departure. Atma is called Anagamapayi. Drik Atma Rupam. Atma is Drik Rupa, Drashta, Satyam. Shuktyadivat. Either you take Shukti or a better example is Rajju. Why? Because there sarpa, udakadhara, sarpadhara adi bhirbhavai tadvad atma vikalpitaha. Mandukya Karika. Sarpadhara, danda, uchidra, etc. They are misunderstandings in place of Rajju. Rajju is Satyam, Tad Viparitam Asatyam, Rajatadivat or Sarpadivat. Iti Anrita Jada Parichinna. It is all Anrita, Jada, Parichinna. Anrita means not Satyam. Jada means not Jnanam. Parichinna means not Anantam. So that which is not Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam are these. Paradhina, dependently existing. Parag artha vyavrittaha. Parag artha means the external objects. Parag artha vyavrittaha. Satya jnana ananta pratyagananda rupa atma. Iti vivechana. Parag artha means what is not pratyak. Paragartha vyavrittaha will be Atma, Pratyak. Satyajnana, Ananta, and Pratyagananda Rupa Atma. So that Atma's anuvritti is there. All the other things are vyavritta. इति विवेचनम्। पदस्य अन्वय व्यतिरेकौ नाम आत्मा चैतन्यं प्रज्ञानं ब्रह्म सत् इत्यादि पदानि कर्म इत्यादि उपपद विधुराणि केवलस्य आत्मनः समर्पकाणि न विशेषण तद्विशिष्ट विषयाणि असामर्थ्यात्। What is the अन्वय व्यतिरेक of pada? First he gave अन्वय व्यतिरेक of padartha. अन्वय व्यतिरेक of pada is आत्मा is चैतन्यम प्रज्ञानम ब्रह्म सत इत्यादि पदानि कर्म इत्यादि उपपद विधुराणि. So they don't have any upapada. These padas, upapada means any visheshana, really speaking. Upapada vidurani. केवलस्यैव आत्मनः समर्पकाणि न विशेषण तद विशिष्ट विषयाणि. Atma doesn't have any visheshana actually. So they all, these padas, they talk only of Atma. Atmanah samarpakani. Kevala Atma. Not visheshana tad vishishta vishayani. Why? Asamarthya. These padas don't have samarthya to talk about a visheshana for Atma, so that Atma becomes vishishta. Asamarthya. Then more is given that Atma is not going to be karta, bhokta, etc., which you will see later. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.